Guys, another question we get asked a lot is, how do I lubricate my garage door spring? How often do I need to do it? Can I use WD-40? I'm gonna answer all those right now. Number one, don't use WD-40. It's not a penetrating lubricant. It will not do the job that a heavyweight garage door lubricant will do. Probably use this every 6 months or so, 3 to 6 months. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. It's just super simple and with a little extra trick. So we'll get to it. Just close your door, climb up to the spring. I've got pretty tall doors. I'm using this so I don't get overspray all over my sheetrock. And just hit it all the way down. You can do this if you're careful. Just do that. This is gonna help, especially in climates that are more wet. Humid places that get a lot of rainfall, a lot of condensation in your garage. That's really gonna help preserve those springs and not let them rust. It's just a piece of metal at the end of the day. And the more stress that's on it from oxidation, rust, things like that, the shorter its lifespan is going to be. So if you can get up there and do that every 6 months or so, that's literally all it is. Don't spray it on the cones. In case you need to unwind one of these springs or rewind it, you don't want that to be slippery. Just hit the body of the spring with a garage door lubricant like this. You can use this for the rest of the door as well. Hinges, rollers, track. I don't really recommend putting it in the track, but your hinges, your rollers, we're gonna come up with some other videos and a different method. Spray is not really the optimal way to go about hinges and roller and track, just because it's kind of a mess. This will do the job. It will keep things like that from corroding, unless you keep pool chemicals in your garage, and then you're gonna be spraying this on there every day. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you got any questions, comment below. Try to answer them, and then maybe make a video of your question, just kind of depending on what it is. Thank you. Like and subscribe, expressgaragedoors.com. You can buy as much of this as you need. Check out our YouTube channel for any more instructional type stuff like this.